Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you problem with Wells Fargo mobile deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the search bar and type in Wells Fargo. Now once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is head over back to your home screen and then tap on your settings. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is tap on general, and now inside general tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Wells Fargo app and then tap on it. And now on tapping, you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Once that process is done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.